Okay, this is task 2 for 8.2. So how can you write a numerical expression to represent a phrase? So you might read a phrase in a word problem or something, and you want to know how to write a numerical expression based on that phrase. For part A, consider the phrase, the product of 7 and the sum of 5 and 4. Okay, so let's break that up between, we have the product of 7. Now the product represents like the answer of a multiplication problem. We want it between a 7 and the sum of 5 and 4. So the sum of 5 and 4 is written as how? Well, we're going to write that as a 5 plus 4 because sum is addition. But we want to put those parentheses around to group them because remember, a sum means I want those two things to be grouped together and added together and the answer to be the sum of 5 and 4, okay? Now the product of 7 and the sum of 5 and 4 is written as, well, this is written as 7, the product of, which is a multiplication problem, the product of 7 and the term that we just wrote above, which was in parentheses 5 and 4, okay? Okay, so let's consider the phrase, the square of the difference of 9 and 3. So we have the square of, and then the difference of 9 and 3. Both of these terms, right, difference is written as a total, right? The difference is going to be the answer, right? We're not minusing 9 or 3. We are going to group them together as the difference of 9 and 3. So just like before, we're going to write this as a group like this. Because we want, when it says the difference, that means like the answer to a subtraction problem. So we want those two things to be grouped together. Now the square of the difference of 9 and 3, the square, do you guys remember what that means? When I say the square of something, that means it's like squared like that, okay? It's to the power of 2. So we want the difference of 9 and 3 to be squared. So we're going to write this with the parentheses first. We have 9 minus 3. And then we're going to take that entire difference and we're going to square it. So we're going to put that 2 right at the top, just like that.